how to add analog clock to home screen on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search Google Clock and click on install. After install Google Clock, go back to home screen and just click and hold on screen. Click on widgets. After click on widgets, click on clock and you will see analog clock is here. If you want to add analog clock, and click on add. So select clock from here and you will see analog clock is add. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.